second language. Growing up speaking English and Pidgin. I don't know if you guys were familiar with Pidgin or got introduced to Pidgin language. So Pidgin language, kind of broken down English, it's what we speak here in the island. And when I teach Hawaiian language, I teach through Pidgin more so than English. So kind of staying here in Hawaii, you'll get introduced to Pidgin a little bit more. Went to high school on Oahu. I joined the military. I was in the military for 8 years. After the military, I came back home, started teaching Hawaiian language. Was working here on Maui for the Kaho'olawe Island Reserve Commission. You guys know Kaho'olawe. Kaho'olawe is an island right off the coast of Kihei, South Maui side. And it was used for target practice for 50 years by the U.S. Navy. And so I used to work on that island for a number of years, taking care of Hawaiian cultural sites and whatnot. I left that place and came here at the college, and I love the college. I love working at the college. So much more freedom, flexibility to do other things. So I get to do things like this outside and host Hawaiian language days where we just get together and speak Hawaiian language and practice. So the more opportunities, I feel the more opportunities that my students have to practice Hawaiian language, the better they'll get at it. Just like English, the more opportunities, you keep listening to me speak English, the more opportunities you have to speak English, the better you're going to get at it. No problem. Okay? So yeah, o no o kumu kui, mahalo no ho'i oko, no ko oko hele ana mai. Ina pololi ai, walabi mai ki kahi mea ai, na ki oko, na oko no ho'i, so mahalo no ho'i oko, no ko ho'olohe ana mai yahu. Mahalo, thank you. Yeah, aloha.